Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our GK work. Today's topic for GK is Let's learn about birds. There are a few questions with option. Try to give answer by reading question and option. So let's start the quiz. Which is the smallest bird in the world? A. Finch. B. Hummingbird. C. Robin. And D. Sparrow. Please give the answer. B. Hummingbird. B. Hummingbird weight only 2 gram. Next, which is the fastest flying bird in the world? A. Blood eagle. B. Ostrich. C. Peregrine falcon. D. Swallows. Answer is peregrine falcon. While cheetahs can run up to 70 miles per hour on land, peregrine falcon can dive at speeds of over 200 miles per hour. Next, which bird is used as a symbol of peace? A. Dove. B. Swan. C. Peacock. D. Crane. Please give the answer. Answer is dove. Next, which bird can rotate its head in an almost complete circle? Answer. Option A. Hawk. B. Duck. C. Parrot. And D. Owl. Answer is owl. See the beautiful owl. It moves its head in a complete circle. Owl can see back side also. See here, it's moving his complete head. Next, which bird does not make a nest of its own? A. Pigeon. B. Kingfisher. C. Raven. And D. Cuckoo. Answer is cuckoo. Cuckoo lays its egg in the nest of other birds and follows them to take care of its chicks as their own. Next, which is the only bird that can fly backwards? A. Hummingbird. B. Crow. C. Robin. And D. Seagull. Please provide the answer. Answer is A. Hummingbird. Hummingbirds can flap their wings at the rate of 80 flaps per second and can fly upside down and backwards. See, this is the hummingbird. It can you can see in the picture, it can fly upward, down, backwards. Complete body can move. Next, which bird lays the largest egg? A. Vulture. B. Pelican. C. Ostrich. And D. Penguin. Answer is C. Ostrich. One ostrich egg is equal to 12 chicken eggs. Next, which bird is known as the king of birds? A. Peacock. B. Emu. C. Eagle. And D. Flamingo. Answer is eagle. Next, which bird was used in the past to carry messages? And for A, owl, B, crow, C, homing pigeon, and D, magpie. Answer is homing pigeon. And homing pigeons, Greek used pigeon posts to broadcast news about who won the Olympics, etc. Which bird makes its nest by weaving leaves? A. Weaver bird, B. Tailor bird, C. Sunbird, and D. Nightingale. Answer is tailor bird. See here, this is the tailor bird. So students, this was the quiz. Please go through the quiz at least 2 times. I will provide you PDF by tomorrow. Thank you. Have a nice day.